Thanks for choosing Reality Talk TV. Subscribe for more Nintendo Wii hack videos and enjoy your video. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Modern Warfare 3 to work on USB Loader GX. If you don't already have USB Loader GX, I'll have a annotation leading to another video with the download. Alright, so once you go into USB Loader GX, and the reason you're probably going to this video is because your Modern Warfare 3 gets stuck on the loading screen every time you're loading up and you're like on iOS 249. So you're going to want to load up USB Loader GX. Alright, and then go down to the settings, go to loader settings, go down to boot standard, iOS. Yours is probably going to say iOS 249, change it to iOS 250. If you do not have iOS 250, I will have a download link and I'm going to show you how to install it. And if you're needing the iOSs, you're going to have to message me and I'll put all the download links for them in the description. So after you change it, you just want to back out. And then go to your homebrew channel. And the way you're going to install these, they're going to come in WADs. So you're going to need WAD Manager. So you're going to want to go to your WAD Manager. I have one WAD Manager 1.7. Just load it up. Alright, once you get into this, you just push A. You push A again on iOS 249. Push A again. Alright, and then you're going to want to go down into your WADs folder on your SD card. And if you're needing any of these WADs, just message me and I will post all of them, or all the ones that you need. I'll send you a download link and put them in the description. So if you need any of these, just message me. But you're going to need the 250, so you're going to want to click on that one and let it install, and this one, iOS 50. And after you install those, you can just exit. But if you need any of these, just message me. Alright, and then you're going to want to exit WAD Manager. Go back to USB Loader GX. And then start up your game. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, just message me, leave a message in the comments. I'll get back at you. The online, everything works on this. Thanks for watching.